factoring 5251. We're doing here with Pollard row, recursion being you square and add one end in each step, and the seed is 1. And you set up, and this is big numbers, you have to let the machine do the calculations for you. And you calculate, and your machine calculates, and after 9 steps, machine is done. Hooray! We find the factor of 59, so we get here that the factorization is 59 times 89. But to really understand what's happening, let's look at the race modulus 59. That was the factor we found. So here's the race stack. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 5, 5 goes to 26, and you have to calculate all the way to 29. And at 29, goes back to 16. So here's the loop at the end. And then we had set out here that here's the hare, here's the turtle times 0. We go. Here, take 1 step forward. Turtle's over here. Then the hare is here, but then the turtle's already down here, and so on. You calculate the whole thing, and you get, well, of course, the hare gets into the thing before the turtle, and finally the turtle gets in, and they meet up here at the 9th step. So it shows you that of the 9 steps you would find the factor of 59. Let's compare that now with the factor 89. So here's the race track for 89. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 5, 5 goes to 26, 26 goes to 54. All around the 88. Well, you know that 88 is saving -1, so of course squaring minus 1 and adding 1. That takes you back all the way to 2. So here is the racetrack. And you do the calculation. And you will see here, like I already did it, because and you see at the step 14, you will stop. So really why Pollard row is working is that 14 is different from 9, because at the 9 steps the factor 59 will show up. After 14 steps the factor 89 will show up. So the whole thing works because 14 is different from 9. Another warning I want to give you is sometimes I see people, I'm not going to write this down because I don't want you to take notes now, that they think the Pollard row is to compare, and I take the difference between xk and xk plus 1. Well, what that gives you, that actually gives you that they're all going 1 step at a time down this thing. But you notice here in 89 here, since this is a loop, they will never catch up. So, and the same thing actually with the factor of 59. There's a loop at the end. So if you run xk minus xk plus 1, they will never catch up with each other when they run here. So that's just the warning. No, Pollard row is that you take the difference between xk and x2k. Please remember that.